I heard you weren't feeling too well. I just want to let you know that it's okay to feel how you're feeling right now. Now, even though you're telling yourself that you shouldn't feel this way, that you don't want to feel that way, it's just okay to be where you are right now. Whatever you're doing right now, whatever you're feeling, you don't need to feel any different. You don't need to be anywhere else right now. And right now, you don't need to do anything. And I know it's hard. I know no one really understands. I know the world is heavy. I know you can't see a light. But what if you just stayed with that feeling, knowing that the feeling is there, knowing that you can already take it because you're feeling it. So you're strong right now for feeling this. You're strong for being here right now. So if you're sitting down or laying down, just be here with it. I just want to let you know a fact. The fact of the matter is you're going to be okay. The fact is the feeling's going to pass. Just like the feeling you had before this feeling. That good feeling passed. And now you feel this one. And we could say this is a bad feeling, but it's going to pass too. And a good one's going to come along soon. Let's just sit with the feeling. I know you want to just be in the sunshine right now, but what if we just play in the puddles in the rain for a little bit? What if we just get a little wet in the moment? The sun will come again. Just enjoy the rain. Be in it. Face the rain just as you are right now. I know you're feeling hard things. It's uncomfortable. It's not fun. It sucks. You can say all of these things because it's all true. There's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you feeling this. Great job feeling it. The sun will come out again. You can feel it for as long as possible, as long as you can. Remember, there's no rush to escape. There's no rush to feel better and happy. There's no rush to change right now. You can just be. You don't have to be anything. You don't have to be anyone. You don't have to accomplish anything. You don't have to get anything done. You can just be.